What's going on YouTube? Today we're back with another video. Today we're doing the subs on the truck. The amp finally came in. It came in today. Well, it came in a while back, but I returned the one I got because it wasn't the one I wanted originally. And I did more research. Then I found the perfect one for the subs. So let's show you what I'm doing right now. So clearly this is what I'm doing. I already got one sub in, connected into this inside the box. I wanted to get an idea first. So right now I'm about to do this one. I need to cut this, get this sub in. We golden. So I had to get this because the terminals on these, I guess there's like a hole. You can just put them through and then try to wrap it around, but the hole is too small. So I had to grab some connectors, and there's like a little screw that's holding these in on the other side. So I just bolted it down. Hopefully it works because I've never seen someone do that. I hope it does because I mean it's connected, so I feel like it should work. So that's that. The amp, it's right here. It's a little small one. I still need to run the wires from the truck, like the battery wise, the remote, RCAs. I need to run all that from the truck into the back seats back there. That was a pain, let me tell you. All right, so this, the back. I wanted to put the amp right here, but I'm gonna cut this out and get like wood. But for right now, the amp's gonna sit on the seat on top because I'm gonna take it to somebody and they're gonna tune it because I can't tune. But these, for my model, this is what you have to do. So the C's right here, right? Correct? You got to put your hand to right here, like the bottom where this meets the top part. Put it right here. Get your hand, push, try to push both of them back, and then lift the seat up. It's kind of hard, and it hurts. I had to take this off so I get more space behind here. This is just held up. I forgot to put the little tab back. 10mm bolt right here in this hole, and then the seat belt. It's a T50. And that's it. And then everything is just clips. You just pop it off. But yeah, this was a pain. Didn't even get that out. Oh, and then before you even try messing with this, get the top two 10mm bolts. No, it'll be like this. You know? It'll be like this. You know where your C's at? The seat belt? It'll be like that. There's a little tab. Pop the tab off. Tabs right there. Pop it off. 2 bolts. Boom. 10mm. And then you're golden. So yeah. It's pretty difficult. That seat pissed me off a lot. Oh damn. So I'm about to get these in on this side. This one's already done. I want to do it today. See how long I can take. But I'm also hungry. So I think I'm going to do it tonight. I might just do this and call it a day. Because I'm too tired. And I'm hungry, I'm starving. But we will see once that's on. Alright guys, after 2 hours of trying to put the fucking positive cable through the fucking battery to the back seat, I did it. I don't know if it's the correct way, but I did it. So let's see. All right, so here's the cable. I didn't even connected it yet because I have the box, the fuse right here. That's gonna select around here, then it's gonna go right there, and it's gonna be connected. But we're not doing that right now. So I have it connected through there. Technically, you're supposed to have it through that right there, the big fat one. But I tried 2 hours trying to fit this through, and it did not fit. So where did I get it through? There's a hole. Right there. That little hole. That hole was so much easier. So you may be asking, where did that hole come from? That hole comes from this. The antenna. So I don't know if it's meant to be, but I still did it either way. So it was easier running it through the antenna, because now it's right there. The hole is so much easier. Now it's all under here, through this, through the back, up here, and bam. And then this, you know, the fuse, that's gonna go into the battery. This, the ground cable, is gonna be on one of these, one of those, I don't know yet. But so that's the ground cable is the easy part. It was just this was a pain. Wires. Alright, now I'm running my remote cable. I already got my RCAs. The RCAs already got them running. So they're back there now. I need to run the remote cable. And then that's done. Once all those cables are back there, I can put the subs back there. Oh, I still need speaker wire from here into the amp. But I can do that with everything, when everything's inside. So, yes, it took me 2 hours to get the freaking battery. The battery power cable. I got so mad. Look, that's the wire. This is the wire that went from the antenna. I just ripped it out, because I don't use the antenna. I use Bluetooth. So what's the point of it? I never had my antenna on. I had taken it off like a long time ago. I think when I first got Bluetooth, I took it off. I was like, there's no need for this. So I took it off. So yeah, there's the amp, little one. It's actually really, really small. What's crazy is I want it like this on the wall, but you know, positive and ground is on this side when the battery's on that side, where my Instagram name is at, and then all this is on that side. So it doesn't have to be upside down, sadly. Oh, I still need to run that. Oh, I forgot. I need to run that for the bass knob. Oh, I still gotta run this. All right, that's the plan. I need to do that too, right after I do the remote cable. But we're almost there. I'm probably gonna be here till like 1 or 2 in the morning doing this. But I don't care. I don't work tomorrow. So let's get back to it. All right, guys. It is, I think, 1 o'clock already in the morning. And yup, the subs are still in the bed. I got all the wires through. RCAs, remote cable, the bass knob, power. And then I started getting really slow because I'm tired. I've been 8. So I'm trying to take out this one bolt so I can bolt the ground, and then we're good. The ground, I think that's the last wire that needs to be hooked up. The ground, the positive is already there. I mean, it's not hooked up, but it's there. It's already there. I just need to put the two together. Just the ground, and I still gotta wire the subs. I gotta do that to see, you know, from here into the amp. So I feel like I did something right, but at the same time I feel like I didn't. I just moved the truck back in. The radio didn't turn on, but I think it's because it's connected to the amp. Like I have the remote, the blue cable connected to the amp already, and the RCA is connected to the amp. So that's what I'm hoping for. So once the ground and the positive are on, it's gonna turn on the radio, I hope. So that's the plan. So either I did something right or I did something wrong. If I did something wrong and I feel like I did everything right, I'm ready to go take it to somebody. But we're here to learn. We're here to learn and improve. So I'm gonna go shower and I'm gonna go eat and then sleep. The plan was to go to a truck meet tomorrow And I wanted to have the subs on, but I don't think I'm going to that show no more. Or truck me anymore. Because I want to do this instead. So that's the plan. So no more truck me tomorrow. I'm going to work on this. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, what's up, everybody? We're back. Today's a new day, and I did quite a bit because I got the subs in. They're in the truck. Problem: they're not bumping. I think I didn't do a good connection on the subs inside the box, so I need to fix that. So I gotta take the box out and then redo it. But everything else is on. The amp works. It turns on. Everything's fine. Power, ground, all that, remote, RCAs. I just need to get the subs connected. I think I didn't do a good job when I did it. So let's go and fix that problem. Let me tell you something too, real quick. Let me show you. All right, so y'all remember that orange cable I had right there? All right, don't take it off. That's my fault. If I tell you to do that, don't do it. Because that's actually the ground for the radio. Remember how I said it didn't turn on? Well, it didn't turn on because I didn't have it. So it's for that. It's for the antenna. And then, I put the wire through it. So since it's just ground, it just needs to be on metal. So that's what I did. But save yourself the trouble. Don't take it off. Leave it in there. This is what I did and it worked. Radio turns on now, so that's all good. But these are not bumping. Everything else turns on. The light was on. It says power on and everything. I think these connections are good. I think it's within the actual subs. Like, I need to take the box out and then redo it. That's what I think. So yeah, let's get to it. Oro compas, we're back. What are you doing?
Don't worry about it, nigga. I already got your shit in there. Look, this one's already fucked up, but it's all good.
No, it's not.
No, I'm fucking with you.
Yeah, you got that one tight.
It's not. It's the tip. But it's all good. It's the fit. Got to spit on it, you know what I mean?
All right. We got the subs working, guys. We're just doing it the final touches.
Yeah, dumbass Daniel didn't know what the fuck these bitches how to work. Nigga wasted $80 on some bullshit.
It's all right. We live and learn.
No, you stupid as fuck.
Listen here, chat. So this is what happened. We got everything set up. Well, I had everything set up.
No, you didn't.
I turned it on, and then they weren't thumping. Like I said earlier, they weren't thumping. Turns out it was just a bass knob. I didn't turn it up. So I went to go.
Fucking pitudo as fuck.
Went to the store and have somebody do it. And they're like, "Oh, dude, you just didn't turn off the bass knob." I'm like, "Oh, great. I just wasted $80. It'll be alright.
Yeah,
Solid."
It's all good. It's just paper, dog.
What are you doing it now?
It doesn't have a screw. Chichon as fuck. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Now get everything out of the way so we can flip it.
Oh, fuck, my ankle.
Are you in?
Yeah.
Okay, son.
Alright, bitch. Hold on.
Put
Gotta
it-
get the guys and shit. Hold on.
Put it in the bed.
Wait.
No.
Fuck.
Put it in the bed. All right, guys, we're back. The truck is done. I didn't put the back seat on yet because I need to get wood first so I can get this set up, have the amp on the wall, and then I still need to shorten that power wire because I don't want it too long. So, but it works now. It's banging. All right, Christian, turn it up a little bit.
We're doing like this.
There we go. Alright guys, we're gonna end out the vlog here today. The main Malone is right there. The subs are all in. It's kind of dark, but that's okay. I'm about to head out, about to grab some food. So, cause I'm hungry. But subs are working. They banging. I don't think the place I took it to properly tuned it. So I'm gonna take it somewhere else to get it properly tuned, because they have a special tool. I don't think they even did that. I think the place I took it to just made it work where I can hear the bass, because I couldn't hear it earlier. It wasn't playing. Turns out it was just the bass knob. Anyways, so that's the plan. Hopefully get it tuned, because I can't have it at a certain volume. I want it loud. I want to have my loud, but then the little blue light starts flashing on the knob, the bass knob. It says it's clipping, so I don't want it clipping. But we will see. I mean, it's where it's at. It's fine for me because I'm in there. But you know, what if I'm in a show? I want to, turn up a little bit. But we will see. But it's the end of the vlog. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.